All right, I'm back. It's February 19th. Today's a Tuesday, the day after President's Day. Just like to go through a quick recap of the trades we had today. We were looking at oil and the YM. I just want to bring this up here. Also looking at a tick chart. We did have a changeover of volume from March to April. And really, we had a trade out of the gate, a 9 o'clock trade. I passed on it because of a small divergence. It never went to a full 2-to-1 winner. Did go 15, 16 ticks though. Passed on it. Really in oil, we are looking for alignment between the 5-wick and the 4-wick. We didn't get that until this one trade that I took here, which happened right here. Just put a circle around it. And we have a lower low, larger time frame market structure. You can see here lower low, lower high. This indicator is a midterm indicator. Got short here, 4 bricks, which on the 4-wick to 16 ticks got that. And that's really the only trade I took today. But from a larger time frame chart, there's really nothing that plotted here that was valid. On the YM today, we have nothing here. This buy is into, is quite high after this run and is into short divergent, so pass on that. There could be a buy setting up right now. It is still against longer time frame swing up. We do have a lower high here though. So it has a potential, but the market's very, very slow and lethargic today. Don't know where all the volume went, but it's sure not here. And then I brought in a tick chart just to show you. I brought it in late. I had it on the wrong month, but got the right month corrected. If you're into trading this type of chart, here's the trade that I took. It also fired earlier, gave you less risk, could have gotten more reward. That's what you were chosen to do. This is the first place everything was in alignment. We do have a buy here, again in transition, also transition on the 4-wick, and then here kind of chopping around. So really not a lot going on there. The ES did have one nice trade this morning into a triple break. We have 1, 2, 3. Nice area of higher lows. Actually, this is a double bottom right here. Reject long. Hits, bounces back, breaks. Never breaks the trend line, off the lows. So you stay in it. Goes for a full 8-tick winner. Trailer would have given you 10 ticks. So, nice ES trade, and then into this choppity chop, chop, chop again. It's also set up to go for another buy into divergence. So it never really went into sell. So that's that. Let me pull in the Russell. Again, one buy here on the main time frame. Did go a couple of bricks. Enough for a reversal bar to get us out of break even, not a triple break entry. So that's where we're going to get out. Never really went anywhere. Could have gotten 8 ticks out of it if you really wanted to, scalp some profit out of this. It did come after a long run up, which overnight, which did give us entries. If I bring over the 3-wick chart, it did give us entries here. So, but these entries occurred at 7 o'clock in the morning, and then this one right before the open. So we're concentrating oil, but there is a trade permission here. It's not on a main time frame. It is before the open, 9:23. Don't really like to trade this particular index prior to the open. If I'm going to trade an index for the open, it'll be either the ES or the YM. So not too much going on there. Let me just bring over the euro here. Maximize this. You can see a lot of chop yesterday. Today is all 5 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. No shorts going to be taken here around 6:30 into reverse divergence. And again, get a lot of this reverse divergence with these this kind of choppy market. Did have a buy signal here, and you can see these higher highs, lower low triangle indicators, but it was filtered out. It did actually go to be a winner and is still trailing, but it did filter it out because of the reverse divergence. But this happened to hold the center and go on up. Doesn't happen often, but most of the time this keeps us out of trouble. The dollar, just wanted to bring this in. The dollar did have one nice trade that I believe just might have gone on to be a winner. Enter here, 1, 2, 3, 4 bricks. So this was a 16-tick winner on the dollar. Trade right here. This is a smaller risk type of market for those that don't want to, let me see, 1, 2, 3. It's about to hit its target. So it's right at it, 16 ticks. You can take it out here. There's really no clear support. There is across the chart right here, so it might be a good idea to exit. There you go. There's your 16 ticks as you see it live here. So that is a system winner, and that pretty much covers the recap.